guys?
What's up,
Welcome
guys?
back to TJ and Cynthia's Clubhouse. Today we're going to be taking y'all on a tour of our house and how it is so disturbing. You can't see my head. We're going to take y'all on a tour of this house. Let's go. All right. We're heading.
It's a takedown.
We gotta be very quiet. We gotta be very quiet. We're going now. Our dining room. It's dark in here. I need some light. So this is our dining room. This is a little table you see. What the Sigma? This is a little table you see when you walk in. There's these little plant things.
Decoration.
There's these little plant things. I cannot record it good enough. Move. And this other one next is a dirty area, so we're not going to show y'all.
We usually play over here.
It's a little area. It's a
Yeah.
dining room. We're only going to show you the
It's
table.
a playroom. We usually play at. My cousins come over and play over here.
This is a dining table.
Yeah.
And right beside the dining table is a china. And next is our kitchen.
That's who will show you our food.
Our kitchen.
Because we're poor.
We're not poor. This is our kitchen. I cannot show you properly. Don't mind the dirty dishes. Those are clean dishes actually. What are you doing? Where are we on this dude to get his life together? Come on.
Okay.
Hold up, guys.
This is where we usually make our videos. Hold up. We make it usually in here.
Yes,
We make it in here.
Anyways, this is our main room. We make
Our
our YouTube shorts of in here, and y'all may recognize this blanket.
from
Okay.
Don't ask me why I have a banana.
Get out.
No.
Story time. Story time. Get out.
No. I'm back.
Tia, you're supposed to get out, and then you're supposed to come back after a minute. Get out. Okay, guys. Y'all did not hear me telling him what to do for this video. A little talk. His name is Margit.
You see that? You see that? You see that red bear right there? That's our picture.
That red bear, that's our picture.
Yeah.
Wait, we'll be right back. We gotta show you something. Something that we have been waiting for a long time. Look. This is open. Stop.
It's open?
Let's see. Hold it. Look.
I'm telling you. Let's get some.
No, she was holding it.
Let's get one.
No.
Yes.
The one we're gonna get is the one we're gonna share.
No.
Yeah.
We're getting
Chocolate caramel. It looks like that, a dark circle. Here's the dark circle. Up here.
what's this?
The dark circle.
What's
That one.
this?
Get the dark circle. We've got a chocolate cheeseburger.
Yeah. I already stopped aiming.
Is it good?
It's good. It's chocolate caramel.
I'm eating. Okay, I'm about to taste test.
Well, this is our grandma's. Oh,
This is good.
she hasn't opened these since Valentine's Day. Still good.
Okay.
7.5.
Alright, guys. So, if you don't know, school just started for us last week.
Yeah.
Well, for y'all, it might be a different week, but for us,
2 days ago.
yeah, technically for us, it was 2 days ago. Story time.
In the comments, say which state you're from.
Anyway, or country. Yes. What was I gonna say? Alright, story time from the second day of school for me. So from my homeroom teacher, let's just call her Miss Motrin. Miss Motrin. Miss Motrin. We read a book called Taste Your Words, and we did the jelly bean challenge, and I got a red one, and it was
Either
pomegranate or dirty old Band-Aid. I got dirty old Band-Aid. That
I
was-
bet it tastes nasty.
was terrible. Then I decided to go another time. I got a brown one with white spots, and it was liver and onions or a cappuccino.
Cappuccino, assassino.
And I got a liver and onions. I would have threw up because I had like. Alright, your story time, Sal.
Okay. I do not know what to tell, but on the second day of school, I made stones. Mine is green. My friend's is blue and red. And my teacher is going to put them in the oven because we put our thumbprint on the stones. We could rub our thumb against the stone and we won't be afraid no more. Because it's a And we also made a butterfly on the first day of school.
Do y'all know the
And it could actually fly.
Are you done? Do you know the Imachan trend? I want to do a little part of it.
You can do it. I'm going to stand back here.
How is this thing? Imachan, hi, Nanigaski, Jukurita,
Imachan, hi, Nanigaski, Jukurita,
Hi, Nanigaski, Jukurita. Alright, milkshake train.
Okay, I hope y'all guys enjoyed the video.
Wait, I got it.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We're gonna stop it right here and post it on YouTube.
But it has to